Hello everyone, how you going today? Today I'm going to do a very short video on how to buy GSPI token, the governance token for shopping.io. Okay, so number one, the first thing you'll need to do is to set up your Metamask on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, step number two, you'll need to change your network to BSC or Binance Smart Chain from Ethereum. And finally, step three, you'll need to send funds from your Binance account to your Metamask. Okay, really easy process. Let's get started. Click on your Metamask. Okay, and then click on where it says Ethereum mainnet, and then click down to custom RPC. Okay, and in here you just insert the information from here. Now you need to change your network from Ethereum over to the Binance Smart Chain. So click on your Metamask at the top in the center, then select the Binance Smart Chain network that you just created. Okay, so you want to get onto Binance and you want to send some BNB because the Binance Smart Chain runs on BNB, not Ethereum. Okay, so that network runs on BNB, yeah? And you want to withdraw some BNB and send it over to your Metamask. Okay, first of all you want to get your Metamask address. Okay, so just go back to Metamask and you can see I'm on the Binance Smart Chain, and here's my address. I'll just copy that, put my address in there, paste it. Okay, and you make sure you check the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, this is very important, otherwise it'll get all mixed up. Okay, and then put in the amount that you want to send. Super simple. Okay, so the easiest and the safest way to do this is to just go on to CoinGecko. Okay, a very safe and popular browser for new tokens. So coingecko.com. I'll leave the link in the description, and then just go to the search bar and type GSPI. Okay, and there you'll see here a shopping.io governance token, GSPI. Okay, and click on that. Okay, and this will take you to the listing. Alright, and you can see here the price, which is very good at the moment. Fantastic. Congratulations if you're holding it. And here is the contract address. Okay, and this is the kind of important part. Okay, so you don't want to buy any fake tokens, yeah? Okay, so that's the contract address. You can copy that if you like, alright? Or maybe the easiest way is to just scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see Pancake Swap. Okay, and you'll see here GSPI and wrapped BNB. So if you want to buy it, you have to go to the Binance Smart Chain. Alright, so you click on that link here. You click on the link. I'll try it again. There you go. Okay, and there you go. This will pop up. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to click I understand, because you know this is from a safe website, very trustable website, CoinGecko. So you can click on I understand and click continue. Okay, and there you go. Okay, so there you go. Now you're in Pancake Swap. Okay, and in the exchange area. Okay, so now all you have to do is click on GSPI and just type in how many do you want. Do you want 10? Right, 10. Okay, and here you have to have BNB in your wallet. Okay, so the cost will be 1.73 BNB for 10 GSPI. Then you just click swap. Alright, very simple process. Alright, so I hope that was helpful, and you can get that all set up and ready to go. It looks like shopping.io is ready to explode. So good luck to everyone. I hope your investments go well, and good luck. Thank you very much, and see you next time.